Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a tutorial on how to connect the Skydroid YL20 GR01 kit to the Skydroid C11 Gimbal and Holybro 6X flight controller. This video is mainly divided into three parts. First, what products will be used in this test. Second, how to connect the cables. Third, how to display the video and telemetry data. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test are Skydroid YL20, Skydroid GR01, Skydroid C11, Skydroid G30, Holybro 6X, TATA 5300 mAh battery. The cables used are Ethernet cable, C11 Ethernet power cable, PPM cable, Telum 1 Plus SBUS cable, 6X power module. How to connect the cables. First, connect the POW plus LAN port of the C11 to the LAN port of the GR01 receiver. The connector on the C11 side is GH1.257 pin, and the connector on the GR01 receiver side is GH1.254 pin. Next, connect the Telum 1 SBUS port of the GR01 receiver to the RC port and Telum 1 port of the 6X flight controller. The connector for the GR01 Telum 1 SBUS port is GH1.255 pin. The telemetry port on the 6X flight controller uses a GH1.256 pin connector, while the RC port uses a 3-pin DuPont connector. Next, connect the Ethernet port of the YL20 to the laptop. The YL20 uses an RJ45 Ethernet port, so a standard Ethernet cable can be used for the connection. Then connect the PPM port of the YL20 to the PPM port of the G30. The PPM port on the YL20 is GH1.253 pin, while the G30 uses a 3.5mm audio jack. Next, connect the power module to the battery to power the 6X flight controller. Then power on the C11 gimbal, followed by the GR01 receiver, and finally the YL20. How to display the video and telemetry data. First, turn on the computer and open Settings. Click Network and Internet, then enter Advanced Network Settings. Select the Ethernet connection for the C11. Click More Network Adapter Options, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, and select Use the following IP address. Enter the following settings. IP address: 192.168.144.200. Subnet mask: 255.255.255.0. Default gateway: 192.168.144.1. Preferred DNS server: 8.8.8.8. Finally, click OK. After configuring the network, open VLC. Click Media in the upper left corner and select Open Network Stream. Enter the C11 RTSP address. RTSP 192.168.144.108:554 stream equals 1. Click play and we can see that the C11 video feed is playing normally in VLC. Next, open QGC. As you can see, the C11 video can also be displayed normally in QGC. The RTSP address has already been configured before this test. How to configure QGC? Click the menu button in the upper left corner. Select Application Settings, then click Video. Set source to RTSP video stream. Then enter the C11 RTSP address in the RTSP URL field. RTSP 192.168.144.108:554 stream equals 1. Next, open the Mission Planner Ground Control Station software. Select UDPCI as the connection type. The baud rate should be set to match the baud rate of the telemetry port on your flight controller. In this test, the baud rate of the Telem 1 port on the flight controller is 57,600, so we set the baud rate to 57,600. Click Connect. Enter the following IP address: 192.168.144.101. Port 14551. Click OK. After the progress bar finishes, the flight controller will be connected to the ground station. As you can see, the ground station can now display the flight controller status in real time. Next, open radio calibration in the ground station. We can see that the joystick channel values are not changing. To solve this, open the assistant on the G30 remote controller. Click Remote Controller, enter Trainer mode, set it to Student mode and click Save. Now when we move the joysticks, the channel values will be displayed normally. Finally, we install the GR01 6X flight controller and C11 gimbal on the drone as the onboard side. The YL20 video transmission box, G30 remote controller, and computer are used as the ground side. On the computer, we can view the C11 video feed and monitor the ground station data, while the G30 is responsible only for SBUS control. That's all for today's Skydroid YL20 GR01 kit connecting to Skydroid C11 Gimbal and Holybro 6X flight controller tutorial. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you'd like to learn more about YL20 wiring, video transmission, data transmission and real-world testing, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.